Imagine you're a scientist looking to discover new species, or a biodiversity institution aiming to improve national inventories, or a citizen science group aiming to record the highest number of species. How do you maximize the potential for discovering new species or complement existing inventories with the least sampling effort? WhereNext is an R package and Shiny app designed to optimize biodiversity sampling by using existing open biodiversity data and environmental information. It does it by implementing the p-median optimization approach to biodiversity sampling proposed by scientists more than 20 years ago, but so far not available in an open source implementation. WhereNext implements the steps involved in recommending survey sites, including data acquisition, processing, and generalized dissimilarity modeling, through a user-friendly interface. Running the default configuration of WhereNext is easy. To begin, install WhereNext following the commands provided in the GitHub repository. Select your study area either by selecting a country from the list or providing a shapefile. Next, write down the name of the group you're interested in and select its taxonomic rank. Then, enter your GBIF credentials and click on Download. Once your download is completed, you might further explore your occurrences, get the citation for your download, and perform occurrence data cleaning. For environmental data, select the resolution and optionally remove correlated variables. Next, estimate sampling statistics for cells in your study area. Select occurrences from the best sample cells and run a generalized dissimilarity model. After that, you may iteratively approve, reject, or modify WhereNext sampling suggestions. You may also assess the gain from adding further sites to your sampling. By finding sites that complement the most existing surveys, WhereNext can accumulate species faster than ad hoc or random sampling. WhereNext may also be run with user-provided datasets and be further customized using the functions available in the package. For more information, consult the package vignette, user guide, and function documentation. Use WhereNext to find out where to go next.